Welcome back, students, with the fifth video of the necklace, second part of the story. Earlier, we have seen that Madame Loisel, Miss Mathilda, and her husband, Mr. Loisel, bought a new diamond necklace worth 36,000 francs and returned it to Madame Forrester. Now let's see how they repay their debts. Debts means कर्ज, loan. Let's see the paragraph first. Okay. From then on, Madame Loisel knew the horrible life of the very poor, but she played her part very okay. The dreadful debt must be paid. She would pay it. They dismissed their maid. They changed their lodging. They rented a garret under the roof. She came to know the drudgery of housework, the odious labors of the kitchen. She washed the dishes, the dirty linen. She carried the garbage down to the street every morning and carried up the water, stopping at each landing to catch her breath and dressed like a commoner. She had to bargain at markets, quarrel and face insults over every miserable soul. So means पैसे, जसे आपले रुपयाचे कमी दर्जाचे असतात ते पैसे, फ्रँक्स मधले कमी दर्जाचे पैसे म्हणजे सौ. ओके. So Mr. Loisel and Mrs. Loisel borrowed near about 18,000 francs to buy that new diamond necklace, but now they have to repay that money. त्यांना ते पैसे सगळ्यांचे परत करायचे होते. And in that situation, Madame Loisel saw the miseries of life. जीवनाची जी कठीणता असते ती मॅडम लॉयझेलला या ठिकाणी पाहायला मिळाली. But whatever it took, they repaid their debt. जे काही त्यांना करावं लागलं पण त्यांनी ते कर्ज पूर्ण परत केलं. But how did it? त्यांनी ते कसं काय केलं? First of all, they changed their house. त्यांनी आपलं घर बदललं. They rented a garret. एक पडकं छपराखालचं घर त्यांनी किरायावर घेतलं. After that, they removed their maid. त्यांच्या घरी काम करणारी जी मोलकरीण होती तिला सुद्धा त्यांनी काढून टाकलं. And as they removed their maid, Mrs. Loisel have to do all the household things. She have to clean the dishes. She have to do all the kitchen work. She have to wash the linens, means clothes. She have to bring the water up from the ground. खाली जाऊन तिला पायऱ्या चढून पाणी भरून आणावं लागत असे. या सर्व गोष्टी करत असताना she knew the harsh reality of the life. जीवनाची जी कटू सत्यता असते ती मॅडम लॉयझेलला पहिल्यांदा पाहायला मिळाली. She tries to save every penny. She tries to save every sou, and for that many times she have to bargain in the market. बाजारामध्ये भाजीपाला घेताना तिला भावबाजी सुद्धा करावी लागत असे. And sometimes it leads to quarrels. आणि या भावबाजीचं रूपांतर कधी कधी भांडणामध्ये सुद्धा होत असे. And because of that quarrels she have to face insults. आणि त्या भांडणांमुळे तिला इन्सल्ट सुद्धा फेस कराव्या लागत होत्या. सो इट वॉज अ व्हेरी मिझरेबल लाईफ दे वर लिव्हिंग. खूप कठीण आयुष्य ते जगत होते. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट हॅपन्ड नेक्स्ट. सो each month they had to pay some loans, renew others, get more time. Her husband worked extra every evening doing accounts for a tradesman, and often late into the night he sat copying a manuscript. Manuscript म्हणजे हस्तलिखित, हाताने लिहिलेले, at 5 sous a page. And this life lasted 10 years. At the end of 10 years, they had paid off everything, even the interest. Madame Loisel looked old now. Often she brooded over the past. Brooded means those days. What would have happened if she had not lost that necklace? How strange life is, विचित्र. How fickle, किती नश्वर आहे जीवन. How little is needed for one to be ruined or saved. So, every month they try to save money, and with the help of that saved money, they try to repay their loan. But the money they were saving was not enough to repay their loans. So what they did? They used to pay some and renew some new loans. नवीन कर्ज घ्यायचं, जुनं फेडायचं आणि अशा पद्धतीने बाय सम मोर टाइम, थोडा वेळ वाढवून घ्यायचा. दिस सिच्युएशन लास्टेड फॉर 10 years. ही परिस्थिती किती वर्ष चालली? फॉर 10 years. And not only Madame Loisel is working hard. फक्त मॅडम लॉयझेल फक्त मेहनत करत होते का? No. Her husband was also trying hard. In daytime, he used to go to the office and finish his office work. And in the night, he used to write manuscripts. रात्री तो काय करत असायचा? हस्तलिखित लिहायचा असायचा. And for that writing, he used to get only 5 sous for a page. एका पानाला त्याला किती पैसे मिळायचे? Only 5 sous. This situation lasted for 10 years, but ultimately, after 10 years, they have cleared all their debts, all their loans with the interest. 10 वर्षामध्ये त्यांनी सगळे कर्ज आणि त्या कर्जावरच्या व्याजाची परतफेड केली. Most of the times, Madame Loisel brooded over her past. बहुतेक वेळा मॅडम लॉयझेल आपल्या भूतकाळाला दोष द्यायची. She used to think that what would have happened if she would not have lost that diamond necklace. काय झालं असतं जर तो डायमंड नेकलेस तिच्या हातून हरवला नसता. लाईफ इज व्हेरी स्ट्रेंज अँड फिकल. जीवन हे खूप विचित्र आणि नश्वर असते. इट टेक्स व्हेरी लिटल टू बी रुईन्ड और टू बी सेव्ड. म्हणजे एखाद्याचं जीवन चांगलं करण्याकरता किंवा ते जीवन नष्ट करण्याकरता फार छोट्याशा गोष्टीची गरज असते. इवन द स्मॉलेस्ट थिंग कॅन रुइन युअर लाईफ और इट कॅन सेव्ह युअर लाईफ. मूव्हिंग फॉरवर्ड, one Sunday, as she was walking in the Champs Elysees, suddenly she saw Madame Forrester, still young, still beautiful, still charming. Charming म्हणजे मोहक. Madame Loisel felt emotional, bhavik. Should she speak to her? Yes, of course. And now that she had paid, she would tell her all. Why not? One Sunday, when Madame Loisel was moving around Champs Elysees, she suddenly found Madame Forrester there. चॅम्प एलिसीसच्या जवळ फिरत असताना अचानक एका रविवारच्या दिवशी मॅडम लॉयझेलला मॅडम फॉरेस्टर दिसल्या. शी फेल्ट इमोशनल. ती भावूक झाली. अँड शी थॉट टू हरसेल्फ दॅट शुड शी मीट हर. ती मॅडम लॉयझेलला भेटायला पाहिजे की नाही पाहिजे हा विचार तिने केला. अँड देन शी कन्सोल्ड हरसेल्फ सेइंग दॅट नाउ एव्हरीथिंग इज ओव्हर. शी हॅव क्लिअर्ड इट ऑफ. आता सगळं काही बरोबर झालेलं आहे. सो वाय शुड शी नॉट मीट हर. ती का बरं तिला भेटू नये. अँड थिंकिंग दॅट विल शी मीट मॅडम फॉरेस्टर और नॉट, लेट्स से इन द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. शी वेंट अप टू हर. गुड मॉर्निंग जीनी. द अदर एस्टोनिश्ड म्हणजे आश्चर्यचकित. टू बी ॲड्रेस्ड सो फॅमिलियरली बाय अ कॉमन वुमन. डिड नॉट रेकॉग्नाइज हर. रेकॉग्नाइज ओळखणे. She stammered. ती गोंधळली. But madam, I don't know. You must have made a mistake. No, I am Mathilda Loisel. Her friend uttered a cry. Oh, my poor Mathilda. You have changed. Yes, I had some hard times since I last saw you, and many miseries, miseries म्हणजे दुःख, and all because of you. So she prepared herself to meet Madame Forrester, and she went to her and said, "Hello, Ginny." Ginny was the first name of Madame Forrester. So she said, "Hello, Ginny." But Madame Forrester could not recognize her because Matilda dressed very commonly. She was looking aged, and she belongs to a poor family now. And Madame Forrester was rich. She was still beautiful. She is still charming. मॅडम लॉयझेल आजही तेवढ्या सुंदर आणि मोहक दिसत होत्या. मथिल्डा मात्र जुन्या कपड्यांमध्ये म्हाताऱ्यासारखी दिसत होती. So Madame Forrester could not recognize Matilda. She said, "No, madam, I don't know you. You must have made some mistake." On that, Matilda said, "No, I am Matilda Loisel." ती म्हणाली की नाही, मी मथिल्डा लॉयझेल आहे, तुम्हाला ओळखलं नाहीस का? After hearing that words, Madame Forrester uttered a cry, "Oh, Matilda, what have happened to you? I could not recognize you. You have changed so much." तू खूप बदललेली आहेस. She, Matilda said, "Yes, I have changed because the last we met, since then I have faced many miseries in my life." जेव्हा मी तुला शेवटी भेटले होते तेव्हापासून माझ्या जीवनात अनेक दुःख मी पाहिलेले आहेत. And all that happened with me because of only you. मथिल्डा म्हणते की माझ्यासोबत हे सगळं जे झालं ते कशामुळे झालं? मॅडम फॉरेस्टरमुळे झालं. कोणामुळे झालं? मॅडम फॉरेस्टरमुळे. मग मॅडम फॉरेस्टर काय म्हणते? व्हॉट शी सेज? लेट्स सी. Me? How can that be? You remember that diamond necklace that you lent me to wear to the ministry party? Yes. Well, I lost it. What do you mean? You brought it back. I brought you back another exactly like it. And it has taken us 10 years to pay for it. It wasn't easy for us. We had very little, but at last it is over, and I am very glad. When Madame Loisel says to Madame Forrester that whatever I am facing was only because of you, Madame Forrester got confused. She said, "How? What have I done to you? मी तुझ्यासाठी काय असं वाईट केलेलं आहे?" So Madame Loisel told Madame Forrester that, "Do you remember the diamond necklace you lent me before 10 years to wear in the ministry party?" तुला आठवते का 10 वर्ष अगोदर तुम्हाला एक डायमंड नेकलेस दिला होता मिनिस्ट्री मधल्या पार्टीत वापरण्यासाठी? मॅडम फॉरेस्टर सेड, "Yes, of course, I remember it." मला ते आठवण आहे. What happened with that? त्याच्यासोबत काय झालं? मॅडम लॉयझेल told Madame Forrester that, "Well, I lost it." माझ्याकडून तो हरवला होता. And it took us 10 years to repay the lost diamond necklace because we have brought you a new diamond necklace which was looking exactly similar to your necklace. आम्ही तुला जो नवीन डायमंड नेकलेस आणून दिला त्याचे पैसे परत करण्यासाठी आम्हाला जवळपास 10 वर्ष लागले. We had very little. We faced many miseries in our life, but ultimately now everything is cleared. 10 वर्षात आम्ही खूप दुःख भोगले. ते पैसे परत करण्यासाठी आम्हाला खूप त्रास झाला, पण आता सगळं काही बरोबर झालेलं आहे. पुढे बघू. Madame Forrester was stunned. "You say that you bought a diamond necklace to replace mine?" "Yes. You didn't notice them? They were very similar." And she smiled with proud and innocent pleasure. Innocent pleasure, निरागस आनंद, proud, गर्व. Madame Forrester, deeply moved, took both her hands. "Oh, my dear Matilda, mine was an imitation. It was worth 500 francs at most." So when Matilda told Madame Forrester that they brought a new diamond necklace as they lost the original one. Madam Forrester said, "Why you brought me a new necklace?" Madam Matilda told her that, "Don't you notice? They both look very similar. तुझा जुना नेकलेस आणि आम्ही आणून दिलेला नवीन नेकलेस जवळपास हुबेहूब सारखे दिसत होते." But when she heard the real story of Matilda, Madam Forrester got emotional. She held both the hands of Matilda in her hand and told Matilda that, "Dear Matilda, the diamond necklace I gave you was only an imitation. It worth only 500 francs at most." मथिल्डाची स्टोरी ऐकल्यानंतर मॅडम फॉरेस्टर खूप भावनिक झाल्या. त्यांनी आपल्या दोन्ही हातात मथिल्डाचे हात घेतले आणि तिला म्हटलं, "हे मथिल्डा, मी तुला जो डायमंड नेकलेस दिला होता तो नकली होता. तो फक्त एक इमिटेशन होता आणि बाजारात त्याची किंमत जास्तीत जास्त 500 फ्रँक एवढीच आहे." So here the story of the necklace comes to an end. Now what you have to do? I have given you difficult words and their meanings during this video. What you have to do? You have to copy all that words and their meanings in your notebook. In the next video we will see the English workshop of the second part of the necklace. Till then, thank you.